is creating mental illness among students, teachers, and every person who is involved in online education. To give us inputs here, we have Mahesh from Chintul, our parent. So let's talk to him and understand how online education is creating mental illness among students. Hello, Mahesh.
Hi.
So Mahesh, what do you feel about online education and how is it impacting students?
At present, it's like going pretty good. Actually, I'm a photography student at Amstech.
Okay.
Yeah, so probably we do all things in physically, directly doing things like massive work. But we have around I attended around 12 to 15 classes till now.
Okay.
Yeah, so things are practically are not good, but which topics we are going through, like you know, we can't understand things while calls. Yeah, like other students will keep on interrupting on things.
Correct.
We can't concentrate what actually sir wanted to say.
Correct. So, do you think online classes are stressful? Like how online schools, especially the students who are of 5 to 6 years old, are also had to attend online education. So, this kind of online education for them is it stressful, and how does online schooling affect their mental health?
Yeah, they aren't that mature to handle the things. They don't even know how to handle this laptop and stuff. So I don't know how they will react, but it's kind of stressful for us. Keep on checking out the things in who is talking, who is interrupting the call. Again, we should answer them like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there will be. Do you think there will be some impact on the mental health of the students who are attending online education for around 5 to 9, which is almost 8 to 9 hours of duration?
Yeah, to be honest, I have around 3 to 4 hours class in this Zoom app.
Mm-hmm.
My eyes burns, we should be taking the calls, or my eyes burns. I don't know about they are still kids.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, I feel the same thing for them.
Okay. So, what kind of pressure you feel because of this online classes?
We stay at home in this pandemic. We should be staying at home. I feel better, but about these online classes, we can't go and meet, and we can't ask even if I ask them doubt, they'll be what actual point we wanted to know, but we won't get that answer, to be honest.
Okay.
But if you be in the manly, we will be in beside them, they will be explaining the same thing, right?
Correct.
Yeah, we can't understand basically. Just for attendance, I'm attending the class.
So, do you think any changes in the lifestyle pattern, because the lifestyle when we have traditional classroom sessions is different, and now what we have is completely different. So, how do you think it is helping us? Is it benefiting to develop our lifestyle, or it is a drawback to develop our lifestyle?
Yeah, I don't say it's a drawback, but we might at present situation it's good actually. In this COVID. So I guess it's good. Attending the online classes, but sticking up to laptops and phones, attending calls for the long period, kinda it's hurting eyes, and we can't be at one place and answer them, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
So, what can be done, because in this kind of COVID crisis the only option for us to is conduct online sessions, because we cannot let schools get open.
Yeah.
So how do you deal with this? How do you support these online classes now?
Like, I'm not gonna support this, but like against it. Like attending class is okay, but it's we can't get actual knowledge by online classes. Things should be happening in practical. I guess that's the best option than online classes.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. So, like, what kind of daily regulars students and teachers need to adopt to get rid of this online session stress? Because as we couldn't understand the subject, definitely we had to refer the topic through textbooks or online, whatever the content we search for. So, in this, the daily routine pattern would be changed, and while having this online education, what can be the best tips for our students to follow it up to understand the subject properly?
Just I say, just you be prepared for things. Like you go through the topic again and again. If the lecturer is saying, just get the point. If it's possible, just have them again and again. And if he is helping out, that's better. But you know how lecturers are nowadays. Yeah, if you ask them like, why don't you get things in once? Things are like going at this, things are going like this now. Like if I ask them, they get frustrated. It's a drawback for us actually.
Correct.
Yeah.
So, generally, do we think any advantages do we have with online education?
Only advantage is like we are keeping like social distancing. That's only thing. That's it. Nothing else.
Okay.
Like if they are conducting in like classes in college, even we can maintain the same social distancing at colleges and like classrooms. But things might get worse if like things will go worse if colleges and schools get open.
Okay. So then actually when we talk about the managements, so I mean institute management or school management, whatever you observe in the society, do you think they are markable in conducting online education? Because priorly they won't be having any kind of experience for conducting online sessions, whereas we take teachers, they are unaware when we talk about the corporate schools. So it is very new for the teachers also to teach online, and it is also new for the students also to attend online. So when we talk about particularly about the teachers and the school managements, so do you think they are doing their best part in conducting these sessions?
I guess they are like giving their 100%. Like we aren't getting those to be honest, I should be being practical about this. Like things should be happen practically. Then we get to at least we'll get to know about like the scale of 100%. We'll get to know about only 50%. We can ask like again.
Okay.
But in online classes, like I don't really like those. Like only student. If I be only student, I mean like I will be like clear things. Almost like I have around 25 to 30 students in the call. Yeah, like obviously everyone gonna interrupting the calls. Like he can't explain the same thing. Obviously he will be like forget the things what actually he wanted to say.
Correct.
Yeah.
So by any chance, how are teachers? Are they perfect who you're teaching?
Like they are perfecting their own perspectives, I guess.
So are you able to understand the topics?
Like not really, but I can understand like few things. That's it. Not what actually I wanted to, but only if I mark the things, I get only 20%. That's it.
Okay. So what are the major things that you just wanted to tell your management that to improve?
just I will say that things should happen again. These classes should conduct again for us.
Okay, what all the
Yeah.
time so far?
Like basically in photography, at present we are going through with fashion photography and portraits.
Okay.
I guess I wish only they should conduct these classes again for us. Who all like I already said them ki I want these classes again.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, like, does your management provide any kind of video recorded classes if you miss out any class?
No. We don't have any access like that.
Okay, so only the live sessions teachers are teaching you, but you don't have any access to video recorded classes.
No, we don't have.
Okay, but that's a very bigger task for you to understand everything in one live online class.
It's like difficult.
Yeah. So I hope your management watch this and give you certain kind of video recorded classes if you can share the same video with them.
That would be glad,
Yeah. So what else can the management improve from the subject wise? Because especially with your point where photography is a practical field education, especially.
Yeah.
So in these terms, like due to this COVID crisis, we had to confine to our homes, and that's best part. At least we could avail education lively. But what can the teachers be improved at what certain point they can nurture their teachings and the concept and the methods they adopted while teaching, and how you will be comfortable in what way they teach you?
In my field, just things should be happen practically. Like things. We should do things. Will like do. We need we need a subject to shoot, and we should go through all the settings in the camera and all the things. But if they showing the like in live session, if we ask them again, they'll be like okay. But they won't do that thing. Just I want like they should improve these things. Like if the student is asking again, they should be repeating things again. They should repeat things again.
Okay.
Like teach us again. Like until the student understand. We are like paying a lot for them. Obviously, it's our right to ask them again, right?
Okay. So, does your Hamstack is charging the same fees for online sessions as well, or do you have been given any discounts?
No. We paid this fee like earlier. Like we completed our fee all thing in December. Our course will complete at September or October. But I don't think they will be asking any discount. They won't give any discount about this.
So, if you guys ever try to ask for a discount because of this situation, because if the institution is still pressurizing you for online fees, I mean immediate fees, payments, and if they are imposing any kind of pressure on you for buying your fees, or if they are in certain situations, few institutions are also not allowing students to attend the classes and they are not sharing the Zoom IDs also. So if that situation has been faced by you?
No. Like we didn't even face with situations with like money and fee stuff. Like we don't have it, but they are we need things should go like practically. Just I'm hoping for good. These situations will end up soon. This COVID and pandemic things. We are hoping we get back to college again. Things should happen. We really need this. We are paying a lot for this course, so we need this.
Okay, so in the same line, when we talk about traditional classroom and the online education,
okay.
So which one you choose?
Obviously, I will be choosing attending classes and traditional things. which will go like live sessions and that stuff. I
Okay.
don't choose this online classes and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, like the both students, teachers, and the management should be actually set ready for online education, because education is not just a thing which can be simply taught online, but
Yeah.
there must be a certain kind of interaction sessions must be happening between teachers and the students.
And students, exactly.
Yes. So, with you, how is your atmosphere of online sessions? So, if it is an interaction classroom, or if it is just a online live session where teacher goes on teaching?
I prefer like interaction with teachers.
Yeah, but how is it happening with you now? Is it
There is no access to go and talk to us. Like the only thing is like going in calls or else video calls. That's it.
okay? Okay.
Yeah.
So, when you have certain doubts, then how are you getting clarified?
Yeah, I'm keep on texting. That's it. Like I'm texting like my lecturers, just asking them. They'll be like, even that is difficult, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I hope your problems will be solved as soon as possible. And then we'll get back to you. Thank you for joining us on today's show, Mahesh.